Hi scientists, we're going to look again at our science notebooks. Remember, when we are observing things, we want to keep careful track of writing things down and drawing pictures to go along with it. So we've talked about the things that the caterpillars need: air and water, food and shelter. We wrote an observation, and we also labeled the body parts of the caterpillar. I went back and colored the caterpillar brown and had some darker bristles on there. So now we're going to look at the caterpillar spinning silk. We've talked about that already a little bit, but we're going to continue to talk about when we see the caterpillar swaying its head back and forth in a rhythmic pattern, it is spinning silk. The silk threads are very fine and hard to see. Each day the caterpillar adds more silk, and it looks almost like a bridge structure that they are building. Inside the cup, the caterpillar can cling upside down from those silk threads as they eat or rest or molt. Okay. Remember that underneath the bottom part of the head is that spinneret. Okay, and the spinneret is what is producing that silken thread. So it's waving its head side to side and spinning that strong strand of silk. If the caterpillar was in nature, and these are painted lady butterflies is what they're going to end up being, they would use this silk to form kind of like a tent, and then the caterpillar could be inside of it safe, eating and growing. Okay, inside the cup, the caterpillar will hang upside down, eat and rest, and then they will use the last pair of their pro legs back here to hold on to the silken threads and then to molt or move out of its skin. Okay? We're going to look at our science journal, page 11 now. Today's date is April. That's the 4th month, and the last day of the month, it's April 30th. Okay, it says when a caterpillar moves its head from side to side, it is spinning silk. You can look at the silk closely, see how the threads cross each other, and draw a picture. Okay, so I'm going to draw here my mallow at the bottom. I'm going to draw some frass that I see down in there. Okay, let's see what else I see. I could also see some larger things. We're going to talk about that the next time. And then I want to try to draw some silk. And so quite often, like, it kind of makes like a ladder or a bridge. It's these silken threads. So you can draw some of those. I'm using kind of a silvery gray, or you could just use a pencil. And then you can draw that caterpillar kind of in the middle of that. And it's got some black bristles as well. Oops, excuse me. So I'm kind of showing the bristles, maybe the head there. Okay, now I could label what's in there, and today we're talking about the silken thread, so I'm going to write silk, S-I-L-K, and I can point to the different silk that's in there. Okay.